one at a time. Not on a conveyor belt.
Oh my! Does this mean I won't get that raise, sir?
It's ruined.
We'll have to sell it. We'll be lucky if we get a fraction of what we paid for it.